Welcome back. What fun and exciting things did you guys do on our little break? So, I wanted to read you a story before we did our science experiment. And I'm sitting at our long brown table with our cubbies behind us because I have our science experiment set up there. So I'm in a little bit of a different spot. Okay, you guys know this book. You can read along with me, say the words out loud if you'd like to join. You guys remember this book? Brown bear, what do you see? This book is all about different colors that the brown bear sees. Let's see what he can find today. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Look at that horse. Oh wait, look it. My nails match the horse. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher! Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Is that all, you guys? Children. Okay, now it's your turn. What do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. I've always loved that book. You guys can go around your house and say, Mommy, what do you see? And maybe you can play with you, or you can play with your brother or sister, or just even by yourself. You can say, Aaron, what do you see? I see a green watering can looking at me. Oh, this is for our science experiment. So I have some water. I don't want to spill it. It's very full. Some water. I have 2 cups. I have 2 different colors of food coloring. What colors do I have? I have blue and I have red. I have some, what is this? Celery. This is the stem of the celery. So the roots would have grown down here, but they cut them off when they pulled them out of the ground. This is the stem. And here are the leaves. This is old celery. That's why it's kind of fallen over. And then I also brought some lettuce. Where would the roots grow? Here's the roots. And the leaves of the lettuce. So I was thinking we need to put our science caps on. Put your science cap on. And we are going to make a hypothesis. Do you guys remember what that means? We're going to guess what is going to happen with this project. So you guys, after I explain it to you, you guys can look to your parents and let them know what you think is going to happen. Okay? Okay, so you guys can do this at home too. So again, what you're going to need is 2 cups, 1, 2, some water, some food coloring or watercolor, whatever you guys have, some lettuce, and some celery. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your water and you're going to fill up your cups. Good thing I put it on a tray because it's spilling everywhere. Okay, just a little bit of water. Okay, so we have our 2 cups with water. And then you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to put a couple squirts. Look what it does to the water. It looks so cool. What color is our water now? It's red. Then you're going to take your other color and you're going to dip it in there. Okay, so now we have our blue water. Ooh, doesn't that look cool? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your celery and you're going to put it in one color. Doesn't matter what color you put it in. Okay. And then you're going to take your, if you have another type of vegetable, you're going to put it in your blue or whatever color water. Now this project takes a little while. And what do you think is going to happen? What's going to happen to the lettuce and to the celery? What do you think is going to happen? Is it going to stay green? Is it going to change to the red and the blue? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. It takes a couple hours to figure it out, so we will check it again on Thursday to see what happens. We'll let it sit for 2 days. Okay, so here's my celery in red water, food coloring. And here's my romaine lettuce with blue. Okay, now it's time to look to your parents and see what your next activity is going to be. And I will be back in a little bit for afternoon circle. Okay, friends? Okay, bye.